Now you know that you can't add or subtract fractions or mixed numbers if they have different denominators. So to subtract mixed numbers, if the denominators are different, you have to start by finding the lowest common denominator. Then you're going to make equivalent fractions with a common denominator. You're going to subtract the fractions part, then you're going to subtract the whole numbers, and finally you're going to simplify. So let's say that we have 6 2/5 minus 2 3/9. So you can't take ninths away from fifths because the denominators aren't the same, so we have to find a common denominator. So 5 doesn't go into 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 5 doesn't go into 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 5 doesn't go into 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 5 doesn't go into 36, so we'll have to multiply the denominators together. 5 times 9 is 45, so we know that will work. Alright, so now we need to find the numerator, so 9 times 5 is 45, so 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 9 is 45, so 2 times 9 is 18. And now we have a common denominator, so now we can subtract. And first we're going to subtract the fractions, so 18 take away 15 is 3 over 45. And then we subtract the whole number, 6 take away 2 is 4. Now we're going to see if we can reduce. And both of these numbers divide by 3. So we're going to end up with 4 and 1/15. Now in some ways this isn't actually a very good example because you could reduce 3/9 to 1/3 right at the beginning, and then you'd end up with 15 as the common denominator and you wouldn't have to reduce afterwards. And sometimes you can do that. Now, in a related line, if you are subtracting a whole number from a mixed number, just subtract the whole number. So, for example, say you have 9.5 minus 4. Okay, well, there's only one fraction, so we don't need a common denominator. And 1/2 take away 0 is still 1/2. And then 9 take away 4 is 5.5.